But look at it, it is pink fleshed, honey. And if you're wondering how it is pink, it's because of the lycopene. It's a natural pigment that's actually also found in this grapefruit, which gives it the red, pink, fleshy color. So I hate grapefruit juice. I want to try to see if I can like grapefruit juice, and I was reading up on it, and putting it with something sweet like pineapple is supposed to make it gel better. So I'm going to only use one grapefruit because I've messed up in the past using too damn much. So today we're going to use one ruby red grapefruit and some of our pink flesh pineapple. See, I don't even, damn. When I tell y'all grapefruit is so potent, like, I need more pineapple. This is something I just need to kind of chug back real quick like a shot, baby. I'm trying to mind over matter this situation because honestly, I remember a time where I used to throw back alcohol like it was nobody's business. So if I can drink whiskey and tequila and like all these things like back in the day, I say back in the day like it was so long ago, but it's been a couple years. But if I can take shots and drink alcohol, I should be able to drink this. But I'm a firm believer in you got to be able to enjoy what you're drinking. And I just don't 100% enjoy this. Maybe it need to be cold. Or maybe I just don't like grapefruit. I just don't like grapefruit. But we're not gonna throw this away. We're not gonna let it go to waste. We're going to, actually, let's go ahead and get a jar so we can pour it in our jar, and we'll put it in the fridge and we'll drink it tomorrow before breakfast and fight through it and push through it. I get that residual taste from the grapefruit that is just not sitting well within my spirit. This is a 12-ounce container, y'all. I purposely did 12 ounces because I don't think I'll be able to stomach anything more than 12, to be honest with you. But